Good day. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm about to discuss to you data types. A data type determines the type of data that can be stored in a database table column. When you create a table, you must decide on the data type to be used for the column definitions. You can also use data types to define variables and store procedure input and output parameters. There is a lot more that can be said about choosing appropriate data types, but I think data types are to use to protect the integrity of your SQL Server data and to simplify your job by taking advantages of SQL Server built-in capabilities. By choosing that data type, the most closely matches your data type, you will be doing yourself, your system, and your users a big favor. So we go now with numeric data type. So first, numeric data type. SQL exact numeric data types consist of numeric and decimal subtypes. They are exact, and we define them by precision and scale. Precision is an integer that represents the total number of digits allowed in a column. So that's how you do it. Next, date and time data types. Data types for storing a date or a DateTime value in a database. Simple as that. So as you can see here, um, there are a lot of format. So if you choose a date, it will give you a format of year, months, and day. If you choose time, it will give you hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so simple thing. Next. Next is the character and string data types. Character is for one single letter, and the it can either be a single letter, number, or special character. Next is string. This consists of one to many characters, regardless if it's a number, letter, or special character. We go now to Unicode character and string data types. If you are mixing data with different implied code pages, like let's say your SQL is from Japan or in China, but you're still using the same database, or you just want to be forward looking for internalization and localization. So then you want the column to be Unicode and use nvarchar data types, and that's perfectly fine. Unicode is not going to magically solve all the sorting problems for you. So if you know that you will always be storing mainly ASCII codes, but some occasional foreign characters, just store your UTF-8 data or HTML encoded data in varchar. So to cut it short, if you will implement localization or internalization, you choose Unicode. And especially if your data is from it would the data uh, source is from the HTML, or the data is coded from HTML forms, something like that. You choose Unicode characters. Next, binary data types. In SQL, binary data types are used to store any kind of binary data like images, Word files, text files, or CSV, and simply like Excel. Simple as that. Next, Other data types. So I consider this one miscellaneous data types. So if you choose cursor, it is used to store reference to cursor objects. XML, it's used to store extensible markup language formatted data. And we can store maximum of 2 gigabyte per data. With table, it is used to store table result set for processing at a later time. Unique identifier, it is used to store globally unique identifiers or computer generated IDs. SQL variant, it is used to store various values, SQL supported data types except text and text varchar or XML. It can store a max of 8,000 bytes. So this ends our discussion about data types. For more questions and details, you can just simply message me on my YouTube channel. Thank you and good day.